Megan here with WTI, and if you are looking for a solid quality curtain rod, then these ones by Mayrhyme are no joke. When you're looking for curtain rods and you don't want to worry about it falling off your wall because of the heaviness of the curtain, these ones felt very solid and really good quality. I'm in love with the warm gold color and overall extremely happy with them. Double curtain rods give you the ability to place a sheer in the back so that you can always keep it closed for filtered light, and then to have your kind of drama in the front. I really like the simple knobs at the end. They screw on and off really easily. For the purpose of where I was hanging them, I actually chose to hang the curtains without the knobs because I wanted to hang my curtains from wall to wall and floor to ceiling to create the illusion of a bigger bedroom. So if you're looking for good quality curtain rods, these ones by Mayrhyme come in so many different colors that you're bound to find the perfect one for your room. And that's my point of view.